Okay, we're back in Vancouver, Richmond. Okay, Guami's here. Hello, Guami.
Okay, na tayo.
Hindi naman ganun kalamig. Sumalamig pa sa Tokyo. Pero sarap talaga yung hangin dito. Fresh na fresh. Ito yung parking. YBR Airport. Bayad na rin ang parking. Na yung maleta. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Nababa na natin yung mga gamit. Kasi ano muna tayo. Maglaba at magtanggal ng mga gamit. Tayo ng gulay daw sa 88 Supermarket. Wala na kaming gulay sa bahay. Kaya bili muna tayo ng grocery. Yan. Sarap ng taco. Oh, sushi. Walang sale. Mamaya pa yung sale. 7:30. Cauliflower. Sarap to ah. Shanghai Choi Mu. Ito, salmon. Ayan, umulan na naman. Come on, Emma. Nako.
Say hi to my friend.
Sabi.
Hello! It's my friend Gerald.
I don't. Oh, hello, Joe. Good morning, good morning. Oh, kakatid lang natin ng mga kids sa school. Pasok nila ay 8:45 a.m. Medyo jet lag pa. Nakarating lang namin nung Saturday. Ngayon ay Monday. So, 2 araw pa lang. Pero okay naman tulog namin. Mga straight naman. Siguro mga 10 p.m. tulog. So, nagising kami kanina mga 7:30. So, okay naman. Pero masakit pa rin yung ulo. Yeah, yun. Okay. Back to work na ulit. Pero technically, naka-vacation pa ako hanggang Wednesday. Pero nabawa na ako. Check ko muna yung check tayo ng email sa bahay pag-work. Okay, dito na tayo guys. Nakalagin na ako. Tingnan natin ang email. Tingin ko nasa 500 to. Loading. 200. 50. 300 na. Okay, 300 lang. Konti lang, pwede na. Let's go to Costco! Costco, lamig-lamig. Yan ang gawa ng gulong. Doon na tayo kuha ng cart. Let's go, Emma. Babe,
What?
you're already big. You're so big, you're still sitting on the cart. Even with your Melchan. Oh no.
Hello.
Oh, ganda to. BC clothing with fur. Bili ako. 15. Ito.
Large kasi.
Ito yun yung isang design. Isang...
Ito? Ito yung dito. 15. Ito 1,000. Gusto mo ito? Pwede naman din. 1699.
Ito na lang.
Mas maganda.
Mas maganda?
Ito naman. Hindi?
Okay naman. Ay, di. Wag na.
Ito furry. Ito hindi furry. Yun ang question mo. You need furry or not furry?
Furry nila para iba.
Edi anong color? Yan na lang. Parang mas ikaw.
Oh, large.
Daddy is more this color, right? Or this gray?
Magkano itong inodoro? Toilet seat. $70. Non-electric. Ganda to.
Not electric.
Ah, ito lalabas dito.
So
Walang
it's
kuryente.
No need kuryente. And it's not hot.
3,000, no? Ganda to. Can you fit inside? Ooh, sauna. Sauna. Go inside to get cooked.
Go inside to get eaten.
Yay! Oh, arcade.
Okay.
Whoa, 3D golf. Mahal, 600. Like this. Ooh. Push back, push forward. Galing ah. Okay.
Bam 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 bam.
Magkano isa na yan? Magkano to? 1,
18 pieces yata yun. Tama ba?
2, 12. Bili ka.
Hindi
Sama?
pa mabubos yan. Hindi na, kailangan saka.
Frozen lobster. Oh yeah!
Ah,
50 bucks. Puro shell lang to. Ang bigat. Tornadoes. Anong tornadoes steak? Tornadoes. Wrapped in bacon pala to. Daming tissue. Daming kulangot. Daming tubig. Daming pagkain. Daming chips. Dami ng grr.
okay.
Dami ng grr.
Okay.
Dami ng grr.
Okay.
Dami ng grr.
Okay.
Dami ng grr. Bili tayong chips. Op! Op! Okay, get one. Op! Here you go. Sit.
And then whatever can
Libre, libre. Let's get something.
Oh.
Libre, libre, libre. Salad.
Salad.
Ano yan?
sa mga
Ah,
o tatlo ba dapat?
teka lang. Dalawa, isa pa, sige.
Show you. Mom, something in your backpack. Then my backpack to show you later when we get home. It's really important.
Sabana, ulana. Sabana.
Ah! Get it away from me.
Ito, sing-sing. Anong number ako? 11? 10?
That. What's that? Can I try?
9 yata ako, 9.
What's that do, Daddy?
For a ring.
For what?
When you buy a ring like the size,
And then what?
you buy the ring.
No, what's this for?
Ah, for ano daw, for exercise. Like,
Daddy, can I try? Daddy, can I try? Daddy, can I try?
yeah.
You have to stick in your finger.
Oh, you
Your
Size.
size 5.
How about me?
Your size not there.
Oh my gosh.
See?
Is it?
Okay. Size 5 ka.
Credit $5.8.49. 9.99. 18.99. Credit $4. 18.99. Credit $4.
It's a recording.
How is it recording you? How is it angle?
I don't know.
27.99. Credit $6. Place your item.
Okay, let's buy foods. Sus in resibo. Resibo.
How was you?
Resibo. Anong resibo?
Where's it for you? Me want, me want, me want, me. Me
Daming
want,
tao.
me want. Mama, can I have soda? Me want,
Anong
me
soda?
want, me. Mama, can I have soda? Me want, me want, me want, me want. Mama, 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 li.
Wala. Yung soda na pala eh.
No, you didn't? Happy Meal? Now he remembers.
Okay. Ready.
Si Shote daw magbibigay ng result.
Me want, me want, me want, me.
Kabila, sabi sa kabila. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Finally something different than a smiley face and us.
Ano yan nilagay niya? Ah,
Yeah. Finally it's different from a smiley.
takas ng hangin.
I love you.
Echo!
Echo. Echo. I love
Quiet! Echo!
Echo. 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 Echo.
Oh. Ah. Uy! Get me up.
Mama, can you get the pillow? I said the pillow. Wow, Pootie! I'm Emma! No, I'm Emma!
Ah, kain na.
Where's your fries?
Here you go.
Mine.
It's mine!
No, this is mine. This is yours. Ow.
Sarap? Sabi, sarap pa?
I don't eat it.